life. Real life story. The gal a use her head. The gal a use her head from Bobby for money. Can't believe where them gal yesterday. She do it to Tom and she do it to Harriet. In her heart she no love nobody. She a use her head from Bobby for money.